Your Roblox game might load fine, but if you see memory was full and needed to restart on your iPhone, it can kick you out in the middle of playing. Most players don't know why it happens or how easy it is to fix. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix this issue, so you can play Roblox smoothly without sudden restarts. Let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Free up iPhone storage. Now, I'm going to the Settings app on the iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove large unwanted files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap Delete App again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Offload the Roblox app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Turn off Background App Refresh. Go to Settings, then tap General. Scroll down, now tap Background App Refresh. Again tap Background App Refresh. Now select Off. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.